Hello guys, this is Coding Masters and I am Man Kaswala. Today we will learn how to make a game on a code.org. You have listened this name. This is code.org, made for beginners to code and learn how to do coding. So we will go to code.org and we will do sign in. You have a sign in option at the top, but I have to sign in, so I don't need to do sign in. So firstly you have to do sign in and then came downside, and so you will see view full list. If you want to make a bouncy game, so today we will make a bouncy game. So go to bouncy game, clicking on it, and we enter the screen. So today this is a workspace, this is a blocks area, and this is a game bar that says what is happening with your game. These are our yellow event and these are our green events. So it means like this run button means like if this run button is to be clicked, set this steps of speed, set. So we will do first that. It's this. If you like retro, so you can also put the retro game in this. Here will be the retro game at the last of the option. Here, clicking on the red triangle on it will be show this 3 random means it will be shown like the computer will say the hardware to do this like hardcode or retro. So we will put hardcode and then we will do now this green events. So first one more, launch a new ball, because if you want to play, say this started and ball has to be thrown. So if I click on my keyboard, so it doesn't move from left or right. So how can we move it? So take a move left button to this move left arrow, and then take a move right button not a block, to this move right arrow event. So if okay, this is moving right, you cannot move this pedal without clicking on run. Okay, when ball hits the pedal means this, तो उसको टच हुआ तो क्या करना चाहिए, बाउंस बॉल एंड देन पुट अ प्ले हिट साउंड. when ball hits the wall, so फिर से बाउंस बॉल और हिट साउंड, and then if you are a beginner, you don't know how to connect the block, then when you take the block and then take here will be yellow line. If there will be no yellow line, so it will not connect. So here will be a yellow line, so it will be connected. So when you try to make this game, then see first when the yellow line is came or not. So when ball misses the pedal, score a point and give me a ball, a new ball, because there is no keeper or a wicket keeper that he will give us a ball. So opponent has one thing that he can score a point, that is if the ball does not touch this pedal and goes anywhere, so opponent point will be got it. So When ball in goal, score our point. We have done score, so we will take a ball, and there is no wicket keeper or a keeper to give us a ball. So, and then we will. Our game is ready to play. Now we will play how to make it. When touches wall, it is bouncing. When touches this pedal, it is bouncing. When in goal, first our point will be there and second opponent point will be there. So you cannot put this in a Play Store, because if you will try to put it, this app was made for the beginners to learn what is coding. So you cannot put. If we can put, so I will tell you in any class how to put, or if you want to book a free class of a White Junior, and so go to my link, Man Kaswala's personal website, and then you will go to last on your computer. So you will got a book my free trial class. And bye everyone. And one more thing, if you want to make a flappy game or a basketball game or a mixed match sport or a calculator, which one you like the most to make, say me in the comment section. And bye all of you.